You can come in. Just say no recording. What you do when you get in there is up to
You
you.
guys realize that's all right. This is our building, and you guys are being paid, and the commissioners have already said this is an unlawful
Sir, you're a federal
rule.
marshal. Let me just tell you the law. So Idaho Constitution.
Why don't we get the sheriff
Excuse me,
down here?
I'm trying to talk to you, sir.
Let's see what he thinks.
Sir?
The sheriff is the one that.
Idaho Constitution.
Yeah.
Idaho Constitution.
Oh, I know how that works.
Section 9, freedom of speech.
And I know you're
all,
just doing
all
your job. We
persons
don't
may
have
speak,
anything
write, and
personal
publish
against you
on
guys.
all
You guys should
subjects,
I don't have you.
being
Your God-given
responsible
rights,
for the
and I
abuse of that
stand here
liberty.
Before you now,
Hello?
letting you know.
Hello?
This is an
Stay out of
unlawful.
the
No,
way.
nobody's
It's
home. I
your
guess they just hire people that don't.
Stay out of the
To
way.
make sure they know.
Ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
How are you?
So
Good.
Article 1,
Yeah.
Section 9 of the
I'm
Idaho
sorry.
State Constitution.
Thought you might
Freedom of
think
speech.
you're poison
All
What do you
persons
think?
may
Yeah,
speak,
this gentleman's
write,
got
and
it right.
publish on
Yeah,
all
that's all
subjects,
right.
being responsible for the abuse of that liberty. So you guys are keep infringing on our rights today?
It's good to see you.
Okay, silence is consent.
Here's
So
the
yes.
deal. We already spoke. Like I said, our person said you can go ahead and go in. We said what we got to say, you can go ahead and go in. And that's why I'm stopping. I'm not talking to you anymore.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
don't have
Well,
you
then let's
on
go in.
camera.
Yeah, of course. Because what they want to do is try to arrest us inside. And if you guys kidnap us inside, you guys are culpable. Do you realize that? Because you didn't stop us from having our safety.
This does
deprived.
not trump our constitutional
You
rights.
are here to protect us. So you better make sure nobody touches us while we walk through.
Yeah.
Are you guys going to protect us as we walk in?
We're going to stand out here.
It's just a jury trial right now. Miranda said we
Oh,
don't.
I know. It's just the fact that this trial
And this
is
guy won't
unlawful.
even talk to me.
Shouldn't even be happening.
You want to tell me what
What
he
do you
has
want to
say?
say?
He doesn't
Oh, I
wanna
got
listen.
you on the
He doesn't
wrong.
have any listening skills.
I think
He
I
just
can
does
lift.
what he's told, so,
You know, you
just
guys
like
are
to
just doing your
infringe
job, but
on
the
people's
problem
rights.
is that you're just doing your job
What are
instead
you
of standing
arguing
up for
with
the
them
truth.
about? Tell them what's
So you're
going
infringing on
on.
our rights under color of law, by the way. USC Title
What rights?
18,
Which applies to you guys.
242,
What
241.
rights are they doing right now? Nobody knows what you're talking
You guys,
about.
if you go to the Department
They
of
won't let
Justice
you
website
in,
right now
camera,
and
or
search
what?
Yeah,
their own
because
codes that apply to
he
them.
said we have to have permission to film him,
Title
but
18,
he doesn't know
Section
case law. He
241.
doesn't know the law.
Okay.
They're deprived
So,
of our
you're
rights
not
under color of law. But that
filming
doesn't
in
even apply to
here.
us.
There's no filming in here.
Yeah.
No one operating video,
got the
audio,
wrong
or,
one.
or photography equipment. That's not filming. Filming's not in here. If you're filming a documentary, that's not in here.
That's right.
It's literally the
And this
first
is for
line.
documentary.
But I
No
think
one
it's on the
operating
grounds
video,
too.
audio, or
Clarify it.
Yeah, but they can't stop that. I've already shown them that they have no right. God has spoken to each and every one of them, and I know it.
But it's correct. We can't videotape you guys, right?
Yeah, we can.
No,
We absolutely
no, they're
can.
public
That's
servants. They have badges.
Who cares?
Not videotape us. You could certainly
Let's call down the
videotape
commissioners.
Just
Rules
be
are for you.
Rules are for you guys and the public.
Yep.
We
Rules
are the
for you.
people.
This is why you guys don't. You're going to be made look like idiots now. So.
Hold on, we got something.
And that means we are the sovereign.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't care about unlawful court orders. Thank you very much.
This is a court order by a judge. No one
I don't
operating
care.
video, audio, photographic.
If it's unlawful,
anywhere
it's
within
unlawful.
the grounds of the courthouse.
If
I'll
it's
give you a copy
unlawful,
of
this
that.
is public property.
Thank you.
You guys are bound by the commissioners, you know that. And the sheriff, which we have already informed you that we have the right to tell
Don't
you
accept
and request
unlawful
your
court
agreements
orders.
at any time. And make
Oh,
sure that that's where
somebody wants to call.
this trial is unlawful. You guys have a duty to call the sheriff down here to do something about it.
Let me ask you a question. What's your badge number? See, breaking another law. Not identify.
Yeah, you can't refuse us.
You can't refuse to identify yourself.
See, what you've forgotten is there's no limit to liberty of speech when it's in the public's good. So we could literally arrest you guys under citizen's arrest. I don't know if you're aware of that. But right now, we're not trying to create force and violence. That's not what God asks us to do,
No, that's their job, not our job.
apparently. Because you got a gun, your hand's on it, wondering if we're gonna be
Actually,
peaceful
all
here.
three of them are like right there already, against two people with cameras and T-shirts.
Right.
So can I have a copy of that, please?
I already saw you reading it, but you certainly can.
No, I know. You gave him a copy, not me.
There you go.
Cool. So now I have evidence against you, and I will be filing a criminal complaint, and you will be tried for this under what you just gave me.
And we're being unlawfully deprived right now, under duress, because you know we could push past you, but you guys have weapons. and you're,
Hey, who
you're threatening us.
handed this out? Did you hand this out? Okay. Do you know that this is a capital felony crime under Title 18, U.S. Code 241, 242, deprivation of rights and qualified immunity? Goodbye. All right? This is a capital felony crime punishable by at least 1 year in prison, and if you're threatening anybody with lethal arms, it's a 5-year minimum sentence.
That's right.
Are you guys aware of that?
Oh, and then if he kidnaps us, the death penalty comes in, or 5 years in jail, or a $250,000 fine, plus another 5 years in jail.
Well, I'm just quoting from what I have. Okay, so anyways, so you guys are liable, just so you know.
Well, they told me they
You
could
cannot
Take my
obey an order that's unconstitutional. Did you know that? Did you swear an oath to support and defend the Constitution? Because if you didn't, that's a capital felony crime as well.
But the judge could do an order to come in.
The judge can't.
Give
The
my
judge is specifically liable under Title 18. Specifically
They
liable.
said they could take my phone.
Let's see.
What?
Hold on,
And you
hold
said
on.
if we film him, we'll be arrested.
Hold on,
If
hold
I
on,
film
hold on,
him.
hold
So
on.
I'm filming him.
I
I'm
can't
not being
film
arrested,
them.
so.
Hold on. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. That is exactly what we're doing. You want to challenge us under the First Amendment?
And read the free speech thing too. That counts. It's the same thing.
You guys do know better. I know you do. What did they do in your training that told you, hey, when they tell you this, just ignore them. Sit there silent.
Oh, they don't get trained. They just...
Because here's the thing. Your right to silence when you're in the public can be used against you. Yes, it can. Because you're
Qualified
acting
immunity
against
isn't
God's
gonna
law
protect
right
you
now.
guys.
So who's this judge?
They're already in a lot of trouble. It's all documented. They're screwed. We'll go talk to my lawyer. You can talk to yours, and we'll talk to all of our lawyers. It'll be fun. Get you served
Wanna
here
come
real
in, sir?
soon. Real soon. Mr. Silence.
See also Title 17, Chapter 6 of the Idaho Code.
So this gentleman gave me his badge number. What's yours, sir?
Oh, here he
You're a
refused me.
marshal. You're a marshal. That means, what does that mean?
That means we can hold him under martial law.
I wonder where the other
and-
young
and
marshals
maritime
went.
crimes.
They didn't want to be out for this case, or is this been just a day off?
Well, he's federal, so we can put him under maritime crimes.
That's right. Which means he could actually go into his own courtroom.
Isn't that ironic? Let's see. See, their rules and laws are null and void right here. Except as
Court.
in this order, our cameras equipment utilized by the Ada County Sheriff for security purposes.
Oh, so it's the sheriff's department's responsibility to hold on to evidence for the people. Last I checked, that's why we don't
yeah.
let you guys do that. In a republic government.
Hold on, I missed a line. And on-duty security officers assigned to court security. Aww.
Welcome for the clown show!
Don't worry, I'm only recording what they're doing. Thank you for your service. I appreciate it.
Yeah, they're letting everybody in except the people that want to record it.
So you better get in there, court jester.
We've got a live one here.
Oh, yeah.
I got a few attachments. I don't know if these
What's
guys
this?
have the proper keys
Okay,
for it.
what the?
Every court needs a jester. When you're in a monarch, when you're in a medieval monarch, we must have a court jester. So I bid you adieu.
And what's a court jester?
A court jester is the only person in medieval times that has the First Amendment privilege. So the court jester was the only one that could speak their mind. Outside of everyone else, like all of these police officers that can't speak their mind about Bartlett and Clifford. Where's Clifford? Clifford, where are you, Clifford? Come on, where's Clifford today? Where's Clifford? The new sheriff candidate. Is Clifford going to join us today? Where's Clifford today?
Probably not today.
Anyhow, so that's what it is. First Amendment, Pam. Only the court jester gets it. Nobody else.
So
I gotta get the pictures.
again here,
Shoot.
Marshall, your order is totally faulty because it says the use of
I gotta get the pictures.
Video, audio, or photographic equipment to cover, broadcast, or photograph, broadcast, or record the
All right, I saw your
clerk
dance moves the other day.
front counter area of the first floor in the courtrooms not in session in hallway, staircase, or elevator. So to say that you guys can't be filmed is totally BS. I mean, it's right here in their own order that this is totally.
And I pushed it out.
And that's the thing, is we will catch you, except it's not us. Thankfully, we don't have an ego that has to do it.
And in their order,
God
it
has
says,
already shown us what we need to do. That's why we're here. So, thank you, Lord.
well, Brian, another thing it says is written permission to record on the first floor lobby must be first obtained from the Ada County Sheriff, lead courthouse security officer, and
Check
administrative
that out on the wall
district
there.
judge.
Dedicated to the citizens of Ada
Congress, like,
County.
that's pathetic. First Amendment gives you that right.
This is just like basic stuff. I mean,
Very basic.
I don't know why we even have to go over this, but it's because
There's Casey, hard
somebody
working,
else is doing the talking.
standing up for our Constitution.
Well, you can go through now. I work with a lot of people, but it's just suffice it to say that I actually.
What do you want to say?
What I want to say is public trials are held for the protection of the defendant, so that there's no garbage going on behind closed doors. And this defendant is not getting a public trial, he's getting a kangaroo court trial.
Is that what Zoom is?
That's exactly what Zoom is. If you
I'm
can't
just
see
learning.
and read the emotions of the jurors, then you're not getting a public trial. You're not getting a trial by your peers. And if the public can't see it, then the court is hiding things. So that's what's going on today. We're having a kangaroo court without the public being able to participate in, record, or witness for themselves whether or not their delegated authority to hold people to justice is being properly exercised.
Oh, Hitler trying to.
Thank you. You want to say anything?
Oh yeah, it's time for people to wake up.
Speak up.
It's time for people to wake up that this stuff has got to stop. These people are violating everything that this country was built on. If we don't stand up now, we lose it all. It's time for all of us to tell these people who's in charge. We are the boss, not them. They live by our rules, not theirs. When we give in to them, they control us. It's time to make a difference. Today is the day. Everybody wake up. It's coming.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This was from like my daughter's closet actually. I found. We would have been able to bring.
Okay. I'll come back to you with part 2.